In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tables in Notion. Merging tables in Notion is really about moving entries from one table into another, so all of your information lives in a single organized database. This is especially helpful if you've been experimenting with multiple tables, or you've imported data from somewhere else and now want everything in one place. First, open Notion and navigate to the table that you want to merge into. Think of this as your main or destination table, where all your final data should live. Make sure this is the table with the properties and structure you actually want to keep, because the other table's entries will be moving into this one. Once you're on that destination table, look for the checkbox column. If your database uses a checkbox property to select items, you'll need to tick the checkbox for the rows or entries you want to move. If you're merging an entire table, you can quickly select all rows by using the checkbox at the top of that column, or manually click each one you want to include. Take a moment here to double check what you're selecting, because everything you tick will be moved in the next steps. After your rows are selected, move your cursor to the top right corner of the database view. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the settings for this view. This menu is where Notion places a lot of powerful actions, including filtering, grouping, exporting, and the option we need for merging. From this menu, look for the option labeled Move To. Go ahead and click Move To. What this does is tell Notion that you want to relocate the selected entries from their current database into another one. A panel or search box will appear, letting you choose where those entries should go. Now, in the list that appears, search for or browse to the table you want to merge into, and select it. This should be the same destination table you chose at the beginning. Once you click it, Notion will move all of the checked entries into that target table. Depending on how your properties are set up, matching columns will align automatically, and any extra properties that don't exist in the destination can be adjusted afterward. Give Notion a moment to process, then open your destination table and confirm that the entries are now there. At this point, your tables are effectively merged, and you can clean up any duplicate properties or unused tables as needed.